Welcome to the Lead Pedal Podcast with your host, Bruce Outridge, where he talks all things trucking. Now let's get rolling.
How's everybody doing today? Welcome to another edition of the Lead Pedal Podcast. I'm your host, Bruce Outridge. And today we are going to be talking family and the road. Very, very important if you're trying to, stay connected. Being on the road can be lonely. It can also be a lot of long hours. So we're going to talk about how you can do that as far as your relationship, some of the tech that you could use, and just some great tips for the road. So, all right, let's put this together here for you. I'm going to give you the quick and dirty here. This is the top list as far as being a good husband. Elliot Katz says to be a good husband and a good leader, make sure that you are helping out at home and helping out with some of the major decisions, not leaving it all to your partner, whoever that might be. I suggested creating a list of vendors so that you know exactly who to call, or your partner knows who to call when things go wrong, whether they need someone to help with the electricity or fixing something, or handyman, or plumbing, whatever it is. Check in at regular intervals if you're on the road. Plan time together so that you do have a date night every month or whatever it might be. Have a regular routine, so if something's out of order, like you haven't checked in for a couple days, someone knows that maybe something's wrong. Book time off for major events. Plan that at the beginning of the year. Share your route so your partner knows exactly which way you might be going. And get into tech. Okay, so from the tech side, upgrade your technology so that you guys have the latest and you can share things like videos and all of that. If one person's on a flip phone, I suggest getting the same for everything. If everybody's on iPhone, get iPhones. If everybody's on Samsung, whatever it is, get the same, because you will find that it works better as far as sharing and that kind of things. Checking in, share each other's lives. So create your own personal network and then share your photos of cool places you've been, or look at their photos, whatever it might be. Stream important events, right? So if someone's got a recital or a hockey game, try to take that break during your day at that time so you can actually watch the event, even if you're watching the stream by whoever is at the game. Play games on the road. Have some fun with your kids on the road. Set up a great time every night to play a game right before everybody goes to bed, whatever that might be. Those are some of the tips. That is one way to keep connected on the road with family, and in today's world that should not be a problem for you. So make sure you stay and do that. Thanks for listening. I hope you have a great family day if that's what you're celebrating and you're listening to this the day of, and we wish you all the best for the future. All right, get that network connected. You're going to need it.
This has been another episode of the Lead Pedal Podcast. For more information or to subscribe to the podcast, visit theleadpedalpodcast.com and be sure to follow the podcast on Facebook and Twitter.